So Bitcoin right now and a lot of the actual crypto market is looking really, really, really heavy, especially XRP, especially what I actually heard today with one of my private clients. I want to share that with you. I also want to share with you what's happening right now with gold and silver, the mining sector as well too. Still looking quite weak from there, but the indices right now could be basing out for a really nice move to the upside. I also want to share with you guys some of the things around the actual energy sector and the oil market, and there's a lot of things that I really want to cover with you today. So let's actually start off with the actual crypto market with you guys today. I was talking about with one of my coaching clients today about the overall crypto market, and one of the things that I'm seeing here with the crypto market is that crypto market's creating like a bit of what's called a rounding top formation, especially on this 4-hour chart. See this 4-hour chart? Look at this here. It's creating like a bit of a rounding top formation, and there's technical analysis, right? So what we're looking at here right now, and the really big key that I want you to focus on, if you're short-term trading the crypto market and Bitcoin, the number one level for me is this level around here, around the around the what's that 92,000, the 92,000 level on this chart. As you can see, that's the resistance all through there, all through here. If Bitcoin does start to get below here on this level through here, then we're probably going to see crypto have a big drop. And if that happens, we're probably going to see the crypto market get down to, let's just see if I can identify any lines here. So at least if I identify any lines through here, so maybe even down through there, we'll probably get a bit of a drop to the downside. Remember, this is that level through, this is the level here. If we do break that level, then that's probably going to see this move to the upside. Probably have a really big drop to the downside, probably a good 20% or so drop to the downside. So volatility is probably going to come, and especially now you're getting a lot of people out there really focusing on the crypto markets, and so much more from there. If we go to and we have a look at, say, Ethereum, Ethereum is potentially looking quite weak as well too. If you notice here on this chart here, we're actually squeezing up through here from Ethereum. So on a this is a weekly chart here. So even on a short-term level basis here, what you would expect, or what you would actually want to see, is if you're a bullish Ethereum, you won't want to see it break up and continue up. And I know if you are a bullish Ethereum right now, you're probably saying, what are you talking about, John? Of course I want it to keep going up, right? I want to keep making money. What you want to see is you don't want to do that, because if that happens, then we're probably going to get a pullback. What you want to see is a nice, good pullback from here, bit of a sideways movement, and then you get this is like a bit of a mock charge. You want to see something like that to give you the fuel to start to move to the upside. And one of the things I was talking about with my coaching clients is he said his brother has now made basically, I think it's 400% return on XRP, right? XRP to the moon, XRP to the moon. Well, maybe not, right? People just really focus on the crypto market again. It's like, what is it with the crypto market? Why are everyone... Even some people that I watch on YouTube, like the fitness guys, people that are into fitness around the crypto market, everyone is crypto market craze. Oh my goodness. Something really bad is going to happen soon, guys. From a market perspective and a sentiment perspective, right? So many people are in the crypto market. My goodness. Something really bad is going to happen in the crypto market. That's going to wash a lot of the weak hands out. I don't know what it is. I don't know when it is. Maybe in the next recession, the crypto market gets hit really hard to really wash a lot of weak hands out. But this is just crazy, and it's not good because so many people are bullish the crypto market. Everyone is crypto. Probably one of the biggest, hottest stocks out there is the crypto sector. And it's going absolutely crazy. And I'm telling you right now, this is not going to end well. This is gonna wipe out millions and millions of people when we do go through that really big correction again, especially in the recession. It's probably going to go through that as well too. So that's what we see there. So this is the XRP from here, and what we see all through there. So one thing I want to sort of bring your attention to now is, let me actually bring up the gold chart here, silver chart. And one of the really big things I'm noticing here with silver is we're still just holding through here, right? We're not going up, we're not going down. We do know the bull market for silver right now is over. And so one of the really big things I'm watching here is to see what happens through here. And again, we did have this whole level all up here, which is a major level of support. If we did bounce off that level and continue up, we would have been in a continued upward movement. But now look at this here. We're in like a bit of a head and shoulder formation here. So up and then back down. And now we're going through all through this level 3. So this actually is still looking quite weak from that perspective there. And if I go to, and if I bring up this now gold chart, this is the gold chart. So gold is actually in a bit of a possible, I call it a possible channel. And why I call it a possible channel? Because it's only really this last low through here, right? It's not really doing much from here. But what I do see is by looking at this overall market from here, and let me just remove all the trend lines off, the bull market is definitely over, right? And ever since I've been started calling for the downside out of gold, gold has done absolutely nothing here, right? So my early warning sign from here would have saved so many people have gone through all this heartache, and now, now the bull market is completely over. So my early warning signs through here were definitely giving you the early warning sign of a drop to come, and now the drop has come. Now I've been telling you that the bull market is over for now, right? For now, right? What I do believe is we're probably going to spend a bit of time going sideways now. Maybe not a big crash, but for now, the overall bull market in gold is over. And we just need to go with that, right? We need to go with that, and that's what we need to flow for. If we go look at the actual mining sector, let's go look at the GDX. And the GDX from here, let's actually bring this chart up here. The GDX from here, guys, it's actually looking quite weak, right? Because in an upward movement, in an upward phase out of the markets, what do we get, right? We get movement up, we get movement down, movement up, movement down, right? There's a bull market from here. But in a bear market, what do we get? Right? We get the movement down, then we get the movement up, and then we get the movement down. So if I'm looking at this as upward highs, lows, now come down through here, down, and now we're just doing this through here. So if there's hold through here and we break to the downside, the mining sector could be getting ready to be getting crushed in the market. Same for the GDXJ as well too. The GDXJ, you can see from this perspective all through, look at this here, $49 level. Resistance here, all through that level, all through there, all through that level through there. And now we're developing this pattern all through here, right? All through there right now. So if the market does hold here, guys, and we start to roll over, then we could possibly start to see more movement on the downside out of the mining sector from there. Now let's go look at, actually, we've done that through there. Now let's go look at the indices from here. And we'll start off with the good old Dow Jones. And the Dow Jones is still quite strong, right? Still quite strong from here. We did have a movement up, and now we're just developing a sideways pattern. If indeed, this is the if scenarios here, right, guys? Look at this here. So on a short-term level basis, we can see, right, that we had this short-term resistance, now positive comes support. If indeed the market does hold here and we bounce and we go back to the upside, we've got the short-term momentum coming up through there. If the Dow Jones does hold and bounce back to the upside, then we're probably going to have a really, really, really strong finish to the end of the year. And we're probably going to see a really nice movement to the upside from there. So that's the Dow Jones from there, guys. Looking at the NASDAQ's about to break up to all-time new high. And I saw someone last week, they actually shorted the NASDAQ right here. Guys, if you actually want to do well out of trading, right, if you want to just keep losing money, then don't listen to this. But just figure out if there is a trend in place, guys, just go with the markets, okay? Go with the market. What does that mean? Go with the market is that if we're in a clear higher low phase, right, all through here, that we just want to continue going with the market. Again, I saw someone short the NASDAQ just recently, and it's completely reversed against them from that perspective from there. Now let's look at the S&P 500. And again, just a very strong bull market. Some may say the top's in. Again, guys, one thing I want you to do is I really want you to be focusing on longevity in these markets. Something that I was talking about with my coaching clients today, all right? Longevity in these markets. I want you to be around 5 years from now. Not get a one-hit wonder and then suddenly you blow yourselves out of the markets, right? So continue being a very strong upward trend, and then also looking at the Russell as well too. King Russell, baby, King Russell. Now, King Russell for me is definitely indeed holding through here right now. So if King Russell does hold here, continue, and we start to get something like this, or we start to get something like that breaking up to all-time new highs, then that's when it's going to be on like Donkey Kong for the Russell from there. So there we go, traders. That's it for me through here, guys. Traders, if you have struggled this year, right, and you really want all of next year to be much better than this year, then you may be good for my 12-month intensive deep coaching program that I'm opening right now. I have a small group of coaching clients that I'm with every single day, 10 to 15 people of a small group every single day, and I'm coaching them and helping them and guiding them through these markets. If you are struggling this year, guys, and you really do need some more hand holding and you are committed to the process, this is a 12-month process. This is not just an overnight get rich quick. This is about setting yourself for the rest of your life. If you are committed to that, guys, then go to getjohnshelp.com. There should be a link in the description. Go fill out the application form and I'll be able to speak to you real soon. So go to that right now, guys. Again, I've recently opened up 10 spots. I don't know how many spots are left, but once they're gone, they're gone. So go to that right now, guys. Go to getjohnshelp.com. That's getjohnshelp.com, or there should be a link in the description. Go fill out the application form right now, guys, and I'll speak to you real soon.